Ever buy something and later think, why did I even get this? Or I'll get it even though I can't afford it. But that's what a credit card is for, right? Or where will I put it? Yeah, same. That's why I'm here with 6 questions to ask yourself before you buy anything. Question 1: do I really need this? This is a big one. Is it a genuine need or just a temporary want? Food, medicine, a bus ticket to work. Probably a need. That 12th hoodie in a different shade of black? Maybe not. It took me years before I started asking myself if I really need something. Even today, it can be a struggle. When I was younger, I would just ask myself if I really wanted it, not needed it. Instead, now I wait at least 24 hours, and if I still feel like I need it tomorrow, I revisit the idea. Question 2: can I afford it? Like, really afford it. Don't just ask, do I have the money? Ask, can I buy this without using a credit card or dipping into savings or messing up rent money? Short-term dopamine isn't worth long-term debt. I learned the hard way when I went into serious debt in my 20s following the latest fast fashion trends. That memory will forever be a painful reminder every time I even think about doing it again. Question 3: what will this do for me long term? Some things bring long lasting value, like a good pair of shoes or a course that builds your skills. Others, not so much. So ask yourself, will I still be using this or appreciating this a month or a year from now? I can name plenty of things that I've stopped appreciating after 1 week, but in that very moment seemed so dire to owning. A good trick is to take the cost and divide it by the amount of uses or wears you'll get out of it and see if it's worth it still. Question 4: do I already own something similar? How many times have we bought something only to realize we already had it? If it's just another version of something you barely use, skip it. For me, I think I struggle with that when it comes to clothes. Just the slightest difference, whether that's a 1 inch longer sleeve or a slightly wider leg, has me so tempted in buying that item when they're barely different to the naked eye. If I had to do things differently, I could only justify buying it if it were better quality than the one I owned. But even then, if it's not ripped, don't replace it. Number 5, am I buying this to feel better? I've talked about this before with my other videos, but I'll say it again. Emotional spending is real. We all seek that temporary dopamine rush when we're sad, stressed, or just bored, and shopping can feel like a fix, but it's usually a band-aid. Instead, try journaling, going for a walk, or calling a friend. Cheaper and more effective. Lastly, number 6, will this add value to my life? This definitely warrants an honest answer because we can all easily justify whether or not it would add value. By value, will it make your life easier in the morning when you're getting ready for work or school? Will it help you lose weight you've been wanting to lose? Will it help you save on the electric bill? Only you know the answer. So, next time you're tempted to buy something, pause and run through these 6 questions. You might save more than just money, like space, time, and regret. If this video helps, give it a like and maybe share it with that friend who's always impulse buying. I know I was that friend at some point. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally. See you guys.